Hello, this is Krysdavar, and today, in this video, I'm going to share with you a box of various baseball cards that I purchased from my LCS, or local card shop. Yeah, this is what I said in the previous video. I purchased it for $9. Evidently, my LCS has something about $9, because as you can, if you did or did not see that fateful very first video that I posted that sent me on my merry way of YouTubing or whatnot, I'll put it up here so you can see a difference. I don't know, probably not much difference between then and now, but there probably is. Anyways, so $9 for this whole box. It's probably not 3,200 cards, like I said, probably just like 100 or 2 missing. And yeah, but still, for 3,000 cards, $9 for 3,000 cards, I consider it a bargain, even though they may not be, great cards. It's still. So let's see here. So these are all backwards. I wonder if. All right. So this first little stack out of there. These are all upper deck from 1993. So 1993 upper deck. So we have that. All right. 1993 upper deck. Okay. I'm just going to put them out here. There's a lot of upper deck. What's this? Thought something was different. No. That's weird. 1993 upper deck. Okay. I'm trying to find some different colorations here. Some different color in here. See there? See the color. I'm trying to see what different. Ooh, that's an off color. 1993 still. Oh, here you go. Here's some different ones. Different. 1993 upper deck again. Oh, it's checklist. These are like the inserts. Man. So that's 1993 upper deck. All right. Let's put that back there. And that's this. 93. More 93 upper deck. These are all the inserts. Community heroes. Nice. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Huh. Oh, Star Rookie, 1999. Huh? Oh, well. Oh, 93. I don't know. Star Rookie 99, whatever that means, because they're still 1993 cards. That's weird. Lots of upper deck cards. Lots of upper deck cards. Let's see here. Let's see if these are all the same. These are all the same. Sereno, 1993. Okay. Let's see here. 93, 93, 93. All right. Something tells me these are going to all be upper deck. These are, what is this? Is this different? Is it different? Huh. 1993 upper deck. Huh. I'm going to have a lot of 1993 upper deck cards, that's for sure. Let's see here. What's these with the lines in them? It's more Collector's Choice 1994 upper deck. Okay. 1994 upper deck. Right, so these are all upper deck. Those are upper deck, and those are upper deck. Upper deck for you, and upper deck for you, and upper deck for you. Oh, these are pretty cool. They're kind of like a little kind of thicker. Huh. That's pretty neat. I haven't seen these. So this is, looks like 2002 cards. 2002, 2002. When they had the logos, of course. Huh. These are cool. You can see there's like a, yeah, that's like blistered out or whatever you call it, of the Orioles in the background there. That's pretty cool. These are pretty cool. Oh no! Fleer Premium traded to the Nuggets. Marcus Camby. basketball cards. Huh, who would have thought that? Now I'm going to have to definitely go through all these. There's A-Rod. Huh. Checklist. Man, I'm not going through all these. I just wanted to go pick out some. See what else we got. These are pretty cool. Never know what you're going to get all this stuff. Oh, here's Leaf. Huh. Whole bunch of Leaf from 1991. 1991 Leaf. Alright. Lots of Leaf. That's what they must have opened, like a whole box and put it right there. Well, that's all. All these are Upper Deck. Yep. See some color here. See here. Huh. David Justice, Almar. Up close and personal, huh? So he's 1994. Jose Silva, Alabama. Huh. These are from 1994. Yes, this is 94. Oh, look, Preston Wilson, Preston Wilson, Preston Wilson. There's going to be some doubles, I gather. Anybody want some Upper Deck cards? I have a lot of them, evidently. Oh. Huh. All right. Huh. Rookie class, I guess they sorted them a little good there. The inserts, all right. Let's see here. Well, you win some, you lose some, I guess. I don't know. Well, it is a lot of cards. Lots of cards. These are 93 again. Upper Deck. Upper Deck. Upper Deck. What's an Upper Deck? Oh, what's this red card in here? Huh. Checklist. Huh. All right. So there we go. Already showed you these. Huh. Montreal Expos. Oh, there's the award winners. MVP in 92. Back when pitchers still got them. Oh, and he got the Cy Young as well. Nice. All right. One gone. Fred Crime Dog McGriff. Cecil, we used to call him Cecil Big Butt Fielder. All right. Let's see here. Let's see what we got here. Oh. Huh. There's a different one. 1990 Donruss. 89 Donruss. Oh, there's some new, different cards. What's this? Man. 1990. Geez, you can even read that. Whatever, Flair Ultra. 94. 1994 Flair Ultra. Wow. Jack McDowell. Rookie Sensations Cliff. Oh, look. Shawan Dunston. 89 card. 1989. The mass-produced cards. Huh. Lonnie Smith. Van Poppel. 92 Flair Ultra. Again. Huh. So there are different cards in here. I just don't want to go through all 3,000 of them or however many there are. Oh, there's a Philly. Crucky. Oh, Crucky. Oh, let's see here. Oh. Huh. Flair Ultra 92. So that's in this little area right here. So we got. Oh, that's those again. Those are pretty cool cards. Pretty cool. Oh, there's some more basketball. Oh, these are the ones I already looked at. Huh. There's all kinds of stuff in here. Yeah. There's some more. Oh, here's some more. Lenny Dykstra, 1995. Oh, look, that's foily. Cyber stats. And there's Len. Old nails. So there are more than Upper Deck in here. Just had to find them. Treasure trove. Let's see here. Huh. All right. There's that. There's some more of these. 1995. Huh. Ooh. Ooh, this is cardboard. 2001. Wow. Huh. 2001 Heritage. Huh. That's what it is, 2001 Heritage. There's some more of these. Then back to 1989. Oh. So I guess all the treasure was in the middle, I guess. Oh, look, I thought it was a Kmart card. This is 1993 cards, tops, checklist. At the core of they look like the old Kmart cards. All right, I guess I'll stop there. Well, let's see here. I already looked at that. We looked through that. I should have set them the ones aside that I already looked at so I don't pick from the same pile that I did before. Oh well. That's all. Okay. So there we go. I just wanted to share this. It's pretty cool, I guess. I know there's no like awesome sauce about it or anything, but it is a ton of cards for $9. So there you go. Thanks for watching my debacle of $9 box that I got from my purchase from my LCS. With that being said, I will see you later.